So finally, direct interview date is out and HR interview date is also out. If you want to apply for that hiring, because this is the hidden opportunity, I am going to tell you about this. And one more thing, in that opportunity, many batches is eligible, even if you are from, हम बताएंगे, वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखो, ठीक है। इसमें 4 अपॉर्चुनिटी, वन इज डायरेक्ट इज अपॉर्चुनिटी नेल्सन IQ, वन मोर हायरिंग विच इज डायरेक्ट वर्चुअल इंटरव्यू प्लस वर्चुअल HR इंटरव्यू डेट इज ऑल्सो आउट। यू हैव टू जस्ट फिल द फॉर्म एंड टेक द assessment or shortlisting mail, because they are shortlisting. So please watch video till end. If you are applying blindly without listening my or without watching my video fully, then you will never get to see the shortlisting mail. So please understand one thing, that you have to first go to the video section, not video section, go to my channel, hit the subscribe button, like this video and do one comment which will give me motivation to do more videos. First of all, understand Milliman just announced trainee software engineer, and this is the development, pure development IT role. And one more thing I want to tell you, that they are sending the assessment mail. Already told you in the previous video of the Milliman, the role is a different front end, but this is software engineer. They are also sending the assessment mail for software engineer role also. So if you see that only fresher is eligible, nothing to do, just put basic domain, which is also written with the basic keyword here also, because all fresher is eligible. First understand the qualification, all grades is eligible, 25, 24, 23 batches eligible, BE, BTech, MCA with less or no experience, definitely fresher is eligible. Or one cloud you have to put Python, OOPS concept is our fundamental, CS fundamental. These are also interpersonal skills, and these are common domain which is written here. Because if you see like a Databricks, if you see, तो यहाँ पर भी तुम्हें Databricks कहीं ना कहीं काम आएगा in responsibility. So if you scroll down and see the personal characteristics, तो यहाँ पर ये रीड कर लो, and what we offer अगर जानना है तो ये रीड कर सकते हो। बाकी irrelevant है सारी चीजें, but the main thing you have to put these domain which is written here. Anyone programming with object oriented concept अगर कर रहे हो तो अच्छी बात है, like Python, C#, .NET if you want to put. And one more thing, that fresher who is to pick up career opportunity in IT are eligible to apply. That's it. First update your resume, because there is shortlisting, or if they shortlist then they will send you one assessment which is virtual assessment. You have to complete the within time period, जो कि already हम देख चुके हैं। तो जाके अप्लाई करो, फुल टाइम अपॉर्चुनिटी, हाइब्रिड लोकेशन इज देयर, न्यू दिल्ली एंड गुड़गांव, न्यू दिल्ली गुड़गांव लोकेशन will be there. So please apply it as soon as possible. First they will provide you internship with full time, means first you have to go under internship, then full time directly they will give you. So finally, big breaking hiring is out, and the date of the virtual, if you see that February virtual live is announced. I will put company name later, don't worry. Business development execution, 0 to 1 year of experience is needed. 24, 25, 26 batches eligible. 6 LP is the packet. Immediate joining only is eligible. So if you want to do the immediate joining, then only apply, because बहुत जल्दी यहाँ पे assessment, सॉरी क्या बोल रहा हूँ, वर्चुअल डायरेक्ट इंटरव्यू होने वाला है। कम्युनिकेशन, बिजनेस एक्यूमेन एंड इंटरनेट रिसर्च इज द रिक्वायरमेंट और स्किल है, पुट दैट डोमेन इन रेज्यूम। नाउ रजिस्ट्रेशन क्लोजेज इन दिया नहीं है यहाँ पे, बट मे बी टुडे इज द लास्ट डेट, बिकॉज इफ यू सी दैट वर्चुअल ग्रुप डिस्कशन विल बी, because if you see a virtual group discussion date is out 24th of February. After cracking the group discussion, there is direct personal interview, which is virtual. Personal means 1-by-1 interview will be there, and this is virtual. 25-26 February, then final and HR discussion will be there on 27th of February. Then they will give you the offer letter. But keep in mind something, you have to keep in mind that when you submit in this form, so it will not automatically collect your detail like name or email. You have to first click on the submit button, and you have to give the exact email ID in which you want to take the group discussion link or further communication. तो यहाँ पे जो email ID है ना, बहुत ध्यान से देना, valid email ID and contact number also, alternate also, and inside outside location दे सकते हो, यहाँ पे जो भी अपना state है वो दे सकते हो, other दे सकते हो। And 24, 25, 26 only batches eligible. If you are a fresher, click on fresher, and if you see that if getting selected, there is a 3-month internship will be there, monthly 10,000. Then after completing this, you will see the one bond service period like 1.2 year only is there, जो कि बहुत कम होता है। If you resign during the service period, you will कॉस्ट पेनाल्टी, ठीक है, 1 लाख की, तो इसमें कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। पैकेज सिर्फ 3 महीने के लिए तुम्हारा इंटर्नशिप होने वाली है, जिसमें 10,000 मिलेगा। आफ्टर दे विल गिव यू 40-55 इजिली, लाइक 6 LP इजिली, क्योंकि 46,000 पर मंथ होता है, जो कि 6 LP यहाँ पे देख सकते हो, ये 6 LP है जो कि 46,000 पर मंथ होता है। सो डोंट वरी, जस्ट हिट द अप्लाई बटन, आई क्लिक ऑन यस, एंड इफ यू सी इफ गेटिंग सेलेक्टेड, आर यू विलिंग टू रिलोकेट विद इन 15 किलोमीटर फ्रॉम चेन्नई, इजीली क्लिक करो, यहाँ पे कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। Working timing will be 6 p.m. to 3 a.m. If you are comfortable with it, click on yes. Are you able to join immediately? Click on yes. Are you available to join immediately? Then click on yes. And one more thing, submit it as soon as possible. They are not asking from you your updated resume because there is direct virtual interview. Many candidate already applied and they got the mail also. So please don't wait, don't do delay, and please hit the apply button. So direct test opportunity just announced global fintech company QA automation engineer 4.5 to 5 LPA Noida location is there. BE BTech 22, 23, 24, 25 male female both is eligible. Full time Java Selenium is compulsory, and selection process will be like offline assessment, direct test, then 2 interviews there, then offer letter will be yours. Then click on book your slot, and if you see that there is the Noida location, click on selection date that tomorrow एक ही स्लॉट बचा है, जाके अप्लाई कर लो जितनी जल्दी हो सकता है. Then Nielsen NIQ data operation analyst role is out. Gujarat location is there. Full time opportunity. Full time hiring is there. Bachelor any graduate in mathematics, statistics, economics is compulsory. Master degree is also eligible. Python any programming plus interpersonal skill is compulsory. 3.31 LP is the package. Vadodara location is there. And one more thing that benefit तो मिलेगा ही, but 3.31 LP is good. You can easily apply. So what you have to do, just hit the I am interested as soon as possible, because 5 hours or we can say only 4 hours is left. Applied as soon as possible, but don't do one mistake that only you are putting these only qualification section domain. Then don't only do this, just put these domain, but read the responsibilities part. Here you see the more domain which is not written in required or qualification section. Like here is written like this also, KPI monitor, technology, custom consumer platform भी लिखा है, CIP, जो कि यहाँ पे तो मैं देखने को नहीं मिलने वाला है. ठीक है, तो ये सब चीजें ऐड करो, रीड करो डोमेन को जितनी जल्दी हो सकता है. एंड you have to first update your resume for NIQ also, and for business development execution also, and for Milliman also. But for this you don't have to update your resume, but only put Selenium and Java, because they will check your resume in an interview. Because this is a direct test, you can easily apply, but for interview you have to update your resume. So please hit the apply button for all 4 mass hirings. And if you did not watch it yet, which I already uploaded, SCL direct interview 21st February and 22 February already out. They are sending the mails of the direct interview hiring. Go and check out that video which I already uploaded. Like this video, do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.